Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel! Today, our muscle is rotator cuff muscle, also known as SITS muscle. SITS acronym for S. Supraspinatus muscle, I. Infraspinatus muscle, T. Teres minor muscle, S. Subscapularis muscle. Supraspinatus muscle is just above of the spine of scapula. Its origin is supraspinatus fossa. Passes underneath of acromion process, go to its origin, the greater tubercle of the humerus. The action of the supraspinatus muscle is abduction of the humerus. The next one is the infraspinatus muscle, just below the supraspinatus muscle and also just below the spine of the scapula. Its origin is infraspinatus fossa and insert to its insertion the greater tubercle of the humerus. Action of the infraspinatus muscle, extension of the humerus, and also lateral rotation of the humerus. The teres minor muscle originates in the lateral border of scapula and also insert in its insertion greater tubercle of the humerus. The teres minor action is lateral rotation of the humerus. Okay. The last one in rotator cuff muscle is the subscapularis muscle, and its location is in the anterior side of the scapula. Originates in the subscapularis fossa, and this time its insertion is in lesser tubercle of the humerus. Unlike the first three muscle, its all insertion is in the greater tubercle of the humerus. The subscapularis muscle action is medial rotation of the humerus. The similar action of these four rotator cuff muscle is they are all stabilize the head of the humerus.